Hello everyone, this is Sandy Green and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you how to put color into your glass. So the first step is we need to select the glass area. So I have selected the quick selection tool and select glass area. Now we need to create a new layer. So I have selected a new layer and then go to select and modify and then expand and hit OK. We need to put the color. So I have clicked this area and solid color and select yellow and hit OK, and now we need to decrease the fill color. Now go to fill and decrease the amount. I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.